In this video, I'm going to show you how to share and collaborate on Google Drive the easy way. Whether you want to send a folder to a teammate, give someone access to view your files, or let a collaborator edit documents with you in real time, this process is quick once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive guides. All right, let's jump in. First, go to your Google Drive account in your browser and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the Drive homepage, find the folder you want to share. You can also share individual files, but in this example, we're using a folder so you can collaborate on multiple items at once. Click on the folder to select it. After that, look at the top menu and click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings for that folder. Now you'll see a box where you can enter the Gmail address of the person you want to share with. Type in their email carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. Next, choose the access level you want to give them. Google Drive gives you a few different roles, and this part is really important. If you only want someone to look at the files, choose Viewer. If you want them to leave feedback without changing the file, choose Commenter. And if you want them to actively work inside the folder and make edits, choose Editor. Pick the role that matches what you want them to do. After that, you'll see an option that says Notify People. If this is checked, Google Drive will send them an email invitation so they know they've been granted access. In most cases, it's a good idea to leave this on so the other person gets notified right away. Once everything looks correct, click Send. And that's it, your folder has been shared successfully. The other person will now be able to open it based on the permission level you selected. If you chose Viewer, they can only view the content. If you chose Commenter, they can review and leave comments. And if you chose Editor, they can work with you on the files in the folder. This makes Google Drive a great tool for team projects, schoolwork, client files, and anything else you need to collaborate on. You can repeat the same process for more people or adjust sharing settings later if you want to remove access or change permissions. So just remember the simple flow. Open Google Drive, select the folder, click Share, add the Gmail address, choose a role, notify the person if needed, and send the invite. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.